How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Simplicity. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and if you are brand new to the channel, we're all about building your brand, business and impact online through social media marketing. So maybe you want to quit that 9-to-5 job, start a side hustle and turn your dream into a career, then consider subscribing and join the Creator Nation to learn all the tips and tricks of how you can do that. In today's video, we're going to talk about Teespring and how you can sell merch just like this bad boy right here. We're going to run through some great ideas that you can use to really start making some money before even being monetized on YouTube, and you can leverage your YouTube channel to sell your merch through Teespring, and there's absolutely no fees or charges to do this. So that's why I highly recommend, if you are starting a YouTube channel, to get your merch started. That way you can start earning some money on the side, because you want to have multiple income streams to earn more money on YouTube, and Teespring is probably one of the best ways to start earning some extra money on the side, and it's a lot of fun too. So if you want to check out the merch that I have, link is in the description. We're going to go ahead and jump in on my computer and I'll show you exactly the kind of merch that I've created. Okay guys, so we are going to jump right onto the computer and I will show you some merch that I have created. So first things first, we're just looking at my website just to show you kind of the website that I have set up all around my merch. Now this is something that you can do separately beside Teespring, but when you're just getting started, I highly recommend using Teespring to get your merch designed, and then you're able to purchase your merch so that you can actually wear and rep your merch in your videos to really help encourage sales, and it really gets your merch in your viewers' mind so they're more likely to purchase some of your merch. So we can see here we've got the subscriber tee, we've got my make your life simple tee, and we've got the iPhone tee. Now, if we jump over here to Teespring, I just want to run through firstly the merch that I have and then how simple it is to set up your own merch through Teespring. We go ahead, jump on here, and we go to my storefronts. Okay, so we've got my designs right here. We can see my very first ever design was create something today, even if it sucks. I thought it was a really cool design to just start my career off with. Create something today, even if it sucks. I think it's quite a catchy saying, and I thought it's something that people could relate to, so that's why I went with that one. Then there's the ring that bell tee, and that's all about, you know, ringing that bell so you get notified when I post new videos. So make sure you got the bell on, folks. And then you can see here we've got all sorts of different designs available. If I actually go here to my listing, okay, now you can see here it's got order sample, and this is actually a really cool feature that they've done. They allow you to buy your merch cheaper so that you can wear your samples in your videos, and it's obviously going to help promote more sales. So I've created a few recently. We've got the Creator Nation tee, and I'm definitely going to go ahead and get some samples to show you guys once those are available. But we've got the Creator Nation tee, so if you want to join the family, you want to be part of the Creator Nation, there is a merch that you can purchase for that one. And we also have the Creator Nation sweatshirt, comes in multiple colors. Definitely go ahead and check that out. Also have the Video Influencer tee, as we can see here, Video Influencer, and that comes in a sweatshirt and in a shirt design. So that is something that you can definitely rep and check out. And I've just got all sorts of different designs. I've got the iPhone crisscross tee. This one's pretty cool too. So it's just a lot of iPhones all in the crisscross design and things like that. What I highly recommend that you do is you want to find out, if you don't have a brand in mind, or if you just want to start creating merch that you can make sales from and you don't necessarily have a brand behind it, I highly recommend getting behind different trends that are currently going around in the world. So a real simple example could be COVID-19 at the moment. There's a lot of shirts going around where you can create shirts just on that, and it's going to really relate with people who may be stuck at home, stuck in lockdown, whatever it might be. You could create shirts based on COVID-19. So it could be something as simple as, wow, 2020 sucked, or never forget 2020. Whatever it might be, you can even have a look at different designs that people have created. Make sure that you don't copy them, but definitely find different trends that are currently happening in the world. You'll find that you're more likely to get more sales because people are looking for that kind of merch in the moment. They're not going to be something that'll sell years down the road, but in the moment you want to follow different trends. So if you don't really have a brand in mind, I would highly recommend look at what's going around in the world at the moment, and you can create merch based on that. Now we're going to quickly show you guys exactly how you can create a design and just how easy it is. So make sure you go ahead to teespring.com, set up an account. Once you're in there, you just click start designing, and here we can see we have the categories of all of the different things that you can make Surprise, surprise, you can do a face mask because that is something that is quite important at the moment. You can create posters, you can create pillows, canvas prints, blankets, curtains, comforters, wall tapestry, obviously face masks, fanny pack, phone cases, stickers, backpacks, accessories, tote bags, mugs, hats, duffel bags, beanies, you name it. They can create it, and all of these options are absolutely 100% free. There's no fee behind creating an account, there's no fee behind creating a design, and there's no fee for actually printing the design, because how Teespring works is they don't go ahead and print the design until there actually is a sale, and that's win-win for both you and for Teespring, because they're not wasting money on printing stuff that doesn't sell. So it's a really cool design. I definitely would recommend checking Teespring out. But to show you just how simple it is, if we go for a simple t-shirt here, we just go start with this. And then it gives you all the different options. You can do it all over print, which I'm quite a fan of at the moment. You can do a classic tee, you can do a comfort tee, all of the different options with different prices. Let's just start with a standard tee. And you can actually create something that you wanted to sell or something that you want to buy for yourself. In this instance, we're creating something that we want to sell. And then it gives you a real brief design of the shirt. And you can actually go ahead and choose multiple colors as well, which is really, really cool. Now, the two options you have here is you can either add text. If you want it to just be a simple text-based shirt, which still are really popular, so don't overthink it. Sometimes text can be really, really useful. Or you can go ahead and add an image like I've done with maybe a subscribe, or if you have like a brand or something that you want to add to the shirt, definitely add an image that way. In this example, let's go ahead and add some text. Alrighty, so if we go ahead here, and let's just do, for example, never forget. Woo. Never forget 2020. Okay. You want to make sure that you center it quite well. Now, as we can see here, it's not the best. Nothing too amazing here, but you want it to have it kind of spaced out to where it looks good. You can go ahead and change the size of that as well. But that just gives you a really simple example of creating something on here. Now, you're quite limited with the type of text that you can do straight on their website. So I would highly recommend creating stuff in Photoshop, in Canva, whatever software that you use. It's probably gonna be easier. You can use the text that you like and all of that kind of stuff. And then you just add the design or the image directly to the shirt. But it is really cool that you can go ahead and create the text straight on there. If you don't have any software to use, you can just bang it right out there. Choose the different colors that you want. You can even set the price that you want, and it's actually going to tell you the amount of profit that you'll receive based on that. And then from there, you just go continue. You can choose other apparel if you want to add it to those as well. And for most stuff, it's just going to simply be able to be added to like a sweatshirt, a long sleeve shirt, sometimes socks, baby clothes, whatever it might be. Once again, go continue. And then you just choose the name, the description, and you can choose the URL that you want it to be linked to. And then you can go ahead and share that on your Facebook, on your YouTube, wherever you want to share this. Share it with your friends and your family. If you do have some kind of following, you can share it on there. And this is definitely a great way for all you YouTubers out there that want to start earning some money straight away. Before you're even monetized, Teespring is the best way to go to start making money straight away by creating designs that you know people are looking for. So look for trends and use that to your advantage in creating merch that you know people are interested in buying because they are already selling. Right guys, that was a quick tutorial of how you can use Teespring to sell your merch. You can go ahead and purchase samples of your merch and wear those in your videos to help promote your merch. And Teespring is a great way for any person to start out. There's no fees to sign up. There's no cost involved for creating the merch, and you can do the designing all of yourself, or of course you can even pay someone to design it for you. But this is definitely a great way to start selling merch. It's the easiest way possible. You don't have to set up your own website. You barely have to create any designs. It's super, super simple, and it's so, so cheap. I highly recommend go ahead and check out Teespring. And if you do want to go ahead and support my channel, I've got my links of all the merch that you can go ahead and purchase if you want to help support me. There are the new Creator Nation tees, and definitely go ahead and check those out. And make sure if you haven't already to click that big red button down below to join the Creator Nation. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Really makes a huge difference and helps us get the video out there so we can help more and more people and change their lives. If you did enjoy this video, I know you love these other videos, go ahead and check those out, and I'll see you over there. Peace out.